Bulacan, pinasabog.
Yeah, guys, listen me in Roblox. What house are you gonna
Rapid Selang
get?
Expressway, kumapal dahil sa dami ng maagang nagsipagbuwian. Pero sumakyat ka rin pamalit kay Kerwin Espinosa, tukoy na ng pulisya. Mga aktibidad ng silipaan
Oh, this is a beautiful house under the justice.
tutukan ng prosesyon ng Viernes Dolores.
Okay, let's wait. Wait a minute, guys. So look at my house, guys. Very cool, right? Look inside. I'm gonna see the bedroom. Wait a minute, second. It's here, and another one is up there. Wait a minute, second. Okay. The other one is there, and the safe is there. Okay, let's check outside. Oh no, fire! Ah, no, not my vehicle. Ah, my vehicle's burning. Oh no. Oh no, my house exploded. It's covering my whole house. Oh no. Oh no, my house exploded.